Have you ever copied a list of data into Microsoft Word and realized it would look much better as a table? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. Instead of manually creating rows and columns and pasting everything one by one, there's a faster and smarter way. In this video, I'll show you how to convert plain text into a fully formatted table in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. Whether your text is separated by space, commas, paragraphs, or tabs, you'll learn how to instantly organize it into a clean professional table. And I will introduce another alternative option that I have touted before, but you can use the other option to create it as a table in Microsoft Word. Let's simplify your formatting and save your time. Suppose there is a text like this, and the data is now written as a text in a line, and they have been separated with only a space here. You can see that between name and surname there's a space, between the surname and the country name there's a space again, and between data and country name is also a space. Before introducing the trick in the Microsoft Word, I want to use the previous trick I have taught to you using Microsoft Excel. In many computers, if you have Microsoft Word, you have definitely Microsoft Excel too. So you can use it. You can check the complete video about converting text to column in Microsoft Excel. But now I want to do it fast to show you how Excel can help Microsoft Word to organize data and convert the text into the table. If you copy the text and go to the Microsoft Excel, paste in a cell, you can see that all the texts are pasted in only a column. If you go to Data tab and select Text to Columns, a menu will be open for you using delimited option, next, and choosing the space because the separator here is a space, and next, finish, the data will be converted to a table. By selecting the table again and copying them and pasting in Microsoft Word, you can see that they are separated and a table is provided here, but only the borders are hidden here. There is no border for the table. If you select the table and go to Table Tool, you can add the borders with this menu, Borders. You can use all borders, or you can adjust the required border you want. But without helping the other programs, you can do it instantly in Microsoft Word by selecting the text and going to Insert tab in Microsoft Word. There's a table part here. If you select Table, a menu will be open. Then if you select Convert Text to Table option, another window will be open for you. Table size, you can select number of columns you want, or you can leave it as the default value that was 1. If you select 1 or any other number, it doesn't matter. Word can automatically understand how many columns do you need. In the second part, autofit behavior, you should select autofit to the content. Depending on the content, the width of the columns and the behavior for fitting the table will be done automatically. And the separator, as paragraph, comma, tab, and other things can be defined. In this case, the separator is a space, so you should select Other and write a space. After writing a space, you can see the number of columns is now 4. As I told, Microsoft Word could understand number of required columns for converting your text into the table. By clicking on OK, you can see that the text is converted to a table. Now you can separate apart. For example, if you want to separate the country names and paste them in another place in Microsoft Word, you can do this, and you can make only the text without table, and as a plain text you can use it in the text or anywhere. So if you have a text that the words are written consecutively and there's a pattern in every line, you can separate a specific part of the text like this. So for example, I now could extract the country names from the text. I hope this trick was useful for you, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. If you have any question, you can write your questions as comments below this video. See you.